Welcome to PostGrid tutorial, where we'll guide you through the essential features of our platform.
Another nice feature of templates is adding a QR code and personalized URL to our letter so we can redirect users to our website. We can see that we have an option here on the editor to add a tracker, but we need to create a tracker first to be able to use it. So let's click the trackers page. This will list any existing trackers that we have and their information. Let's select Create Tracker to get started. We can enter a description first, and then for all personalized URLs, you need to set an expiry duration. So let's select 60 days for this tracker. Keep in mind that this is an expiry date for the URL itself, not for the tracker. So don't worry, you don't need to create another tracker in 60 days. We can then enter the URL we want to redirect our users to. I'll enter postgrid.com for this example. I can also enter some custom fields in the URL by using merge variables as well. Here on the CSV file, we have our code column, so let's assume we want to use that here. I can use double curly braces again, and this will generate the URL with the code variable for us. Let's click Create, and now we can see that our tracker is now listed at the top, and I can click on it to get more information. At the details page, I can see my tracker's information and update that as well if I want to. So let's change our tracker's description, URL, and expiry duration. We can then click Save Tracker to update it. Here at the bottom, we can get more information about the tracker, like the total and unique visit counts. We just created this tracker, so we don't really have any information like that. Let's go back to the trackers page and select an older tracker. As we can see here, we had a total of 27 visits and 23 unique visitors for this tracker. I can also get more details about those visits here.
Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. I hope this helps you to make the most of our platform. And don't hesitate to send an email to support@postgrid.com if you have any more questions.